Minsan, napapansin ko, our kids today are surrounded by so much noise. Daming toys, gadgets, activities, laging may bagong gusto, bagong kailangan, bagong distraction. And slowly, without us realizing it, they're being taught that happiness comes from having more. Pero alam niyo po, simplicity tells a different story. It reminds us na joy is not something we buy. Hindi siya nakukuha sa dami ng gamit, sa bagong laruan, o sa latest gadget. Joy is something we cultivate. Kapag bumabagal ang buhay, mas nagiging malinaw kung ano talaga ang mas mahalaga. Simplicity is not the absence of things. It's the presence of what truly matters. It's choosing depth over excess, meaning over busyness, and relationship over possession. And as parents, we're called to teach our kids to live a simple life. Not a lesser life, but a fuller one. Yung buhay po na hindi kontrolado ng stuff, pero naka-anchor sa values. A life where contentment is learned, gratitude is practiced, at presence is prioritized. Sabi po ni Jesus Christ sa Luke chapter 12, verse 15, life does not consist in the abundance of possessions. Hindi lang yan para sa matatanda. Truth din po yan na kailangan matutunan po ng mga anak natin. So, let's model it. Bilang mga magulang, let's slow down. Pakita natin sa kanila na joy can be found sa conversation, sa kindness, sa gratitude, at sa simpleng pagiging present. Because when children learn simplicity early, they grow up rich in the things that matter most.